Hello, welcome to my video. And this video is about facade pattern. The facade pattern is a very useful design pattern to handle the complexity of the system and provide an interface to the client to access the system. It's very useful. There is an example here. We will talk about the prepare of the wiring. And there are many things to be done during a wiring, and we just pick out three things. The floor manager to manage the floor, the hotel manager to manage the book of the hotel, and the van manager. Let's see the floor manager. He has a method check prepared, and when we call this method, he will print, let me check if the floors are prepared. And this is once for a second, and as if he is ready to check the floor is prepared or not. And he randomly to pick a digital, pick a number. If the number is bigger than 5, he will say, sorry, the floor is not prepared yet, and otherwise he will say, yeah, the floor is prepared already. The hotel manager and the van manager, they did similar things. They all prepared the method. They all provide a method to check if the things has been done. And the hotel manager, he has a method of check booked, and the van manager, he has a check ordered. But our groom, he don't want to know all the details, all the prepared wiring. He just want to ask if the wedding is prepared or not. And thankfully, he has a housekeeper. He has a housekeeper. Let's see what our housekeeper do. Our housekeeper, he provides a simple method for a simple interface to our groom, the wedding prepare. And using this interface, he will show all the things is prepared or not. He will print check floor, and he will check, and he will ask the floor manager to check. He'll check hotel, and he will ask the hotel manager to check, and then he will check the one. Maybe we have many other things to check, should be checked here, but yeah, we have other manager. But our groom just need to know one interface is wedding prepare. Our housekeeper, he has all the details. That's what our groom. Our housekeeper is an attribute to our groom, and in this method prepare our groom, the method, he will just ask his housekeeper to ask her, is wedding prepared? No matter how many things here, and we could add many other managers here, manager 1, manager 2, manager 3, manager 4. Our groom, he just uses one line. And on the housekeeper, he is the facade of the whole thing, of the whole wiring prepare. They provide a simple interface to our groom. And that's called facade, the facade pattern. Let's run and see. See? All things worked, all things done. And the facade pattern is very useful when you want to have the complexity of our subsystems. And because in our real world, when we write a big platform, a huge system, there are many tens of thousands, or hundreds of thousands code. We must make sure our each model should be tiny, should be easy to maintain. That the facade pattern will be useful. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.